Did you know that turmeric is related to bananas and ginger? Cool, huh? Welcome back, Wellness Warriors, to the Entheozen Explorer channel. I'm Caitlin Thompson, and in this video, I'm going to give you the scoop on turmeric and its active components, including curcumin. I'm going to be sharing with you turmeric benefits, turmeric side effects, turmeric dosage, how to take turmeric, and why you should be taking it for depression, pain, inflammation, brain health, and overall well-being. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so that I can continue to share all my cool tips and tricks to staying elevated, inspired, and happy in this crazy world that we live in together. Turmeric, or curcuma longa, is a perennial herb that's been used in traditional Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine for thousands of years, and it is related to the ginger root. Many of you know that turmeric is bright orange, which is why I have my orange dress on for this video. And when you use it for cooking, it turns everything bright fluorescent yellow. So for this reason, it's often used as natural food coloring for like orange and yellow hues. Aside from a long history of traditional use, there are over 6,000 peer-reviewed scientific studies on turmeric and its components. Shit is legit. Turmeric has been studied for a variety of different conditions such as pain, arthritis, inflammation, diabetes, aging, obesity, Alzheimer's, and depression. And although there are a number of turmeric benefits for different conditions, it especially is helpful for depression, anxiety, memory loss, and other brain-related conditions. Recent research suggests that those with depression, anxiety, neurodegenerative diseases, and other brain illnesses have high levels of inflammation in their brain and body. Turmeric is notorious for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. In some studies, turmeric has shown to be just as effective as NSAIDs, or non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, in the treatment of joint pain and arthritis. Turmeric is also a potent antioxidant. It upregulates the NRF2 pathway and increases the amount of SOD and glutathione antioxidants produced in the body. These powerful antioxidant molecules are important for neutralizing damaging free radical compounds that contribute to aging, disease, and cellular damage. Studies have discovered that turmeric can clear beta amyloid plaques that are associated with Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Other studies have also shown that it improves cognitive performance and memory and is neuroprotective against depression and stress. Turmeric also upregulates a protein called BDNF, which stands for brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which I talk about in another video some more. But basically, BDNF acts as a fertilizer for brain cells and prompts the growth and regeneration of brain cells and their structures, such as dendrites, synaptic spines, and even whole new neurons. Increase in neurogenesis results in increased neuroplasticity, cognitive health, and brain density. Turmeric also aids in our digestion by triggering the release of bile and helping us digest and extract fat-soluble nutrients from our foods, such as vitamin A, vitamin D, fatty acids, and other nutrients that are essential for brain and mood health. Turmeric has been found to be antifungal and antibacterial and may be useful for candida overgrowth or small intestinal bacterial overgrowth or other gut dysbiosis symptoms. Gut dysbiosis, or imbalance of bacteria in our guts, is correlated with brain fog, anxiety, cognitive decline, and depression. The C3 curcumin extract with bioperine has been found to increase biodiversity of the microbiome, which means it increases the different types of bacteria in the gut. This is positively correlated with improvements in mood, inflammation, brain function, and overall health. The more we look into the relationship between the brain and the microbiome in the gut, the more that we see they're intimately linked. So now I've loaded you up with knowledge about all the amazing turmeric benefits for mood, for well-being, for inflammation and pain. But what about the side effects? Does turmeric have side effects? While turmeric is generally regarded as safe by the FDA, like any good thing, it should always be approached with moderation and caution. Turmeric does have blood thinning properties, so if you're on a blood thinning drug such as coumarin or warfarin, be sure to consult with your doctor before starting a turmeric supplement. While turmeric is well tolerated by most, if you take a lot of it or have a sensitive stomach, it can be irritating to the GI tract. To avoid this, you can take turmeric with food or even just mix it in with your food and cook with it. Turmeric also lowers blood pressure, so if you're already on drugs that lower your blood pressure, be sure to check with your doctor first before taking turmeric. If you have dangerously low blood pressure, you should do the same. Turmeric can also cause gallbladder contractions, which can be painful if you have gallstones. Turmeric also contains naturally occurring molecules called oxalates. Now, if you take oxalates in excess through your food, it can contribute to developing kidney stones. And men, if you're trying to have a baby, you should avoid turmeric because it can sometimes lead to male infertility and lower sperm count. If you're not trying to have a baby, then you should definitely take turmeric. There's a few different ways that you can take turmeric. You can take it as a supplement, you can add it to food or beverages, you can make a turmeric tea. For supplements, you can either get turmeric powder, capsules, or tincture. When I'm cooking with turmeric, you can use powdered turmeric, but I prefer to use the raw whole root so that I know that I'm not getting any adulterants or contaminants such as lead chromate, which I'll talk a little bit more about in a second. So as far as turmeric dosage goes, if you're taking capsules or powder, I recommend taking 500 milligrams 1 to 2 times per day. If you're cooking with it, you can there's a lot of sort of flexibility in the size that you can use. Sometimes they're this long, sometimes they're this long. When you're cooking something, a lot of the heat destroys some of the properties. So dosage is kind of not as crucial because some of the effects will be sort of lessened by the cooking process. Always make sure that you're consuming black pepper or black pepper extract or bioperine as an adjunct to your turmeric supplementation or cooking. The reason for this is because the black pepper increases the absorption of turmeric and its related compounds by up to 2,000% more. The way that it does this is that bioperine, the active ingredient in black pepper, inhibits the CYP450 enzymes in the liver that are responsible for breaking down and metabolizing the curcuminoids that are in turmeric. Now, by blocking the degradation and metabolism of these curcuminoids, we actually are prolonging the amount of time that they can be in circulation in the bloodstream in the body so that you can have increased absorption and thus get the most magic out of your turmeric as possible. So if you're not adding black pepper to your recipes that have turmeric in them, be sure you do. And if you're taking a turmeric supplement, be sure that it has either black pepper or black pepper extract or bioperine in it as well. Also really important to consume your turmeric with some sort of fatty substance to enhance absorption. Many of the medicinal compounds in turmeric are fat soluble and need to be carried through the digestive system with fats. Be sure to add healthy fats such as olive oil or coconut oil to your meals that contain turmeric, or you can add coconut milk and make a creamy, fatty curry sauce. If you're making turmeric tea, you can add some coconut milk or some almond milk or something that has some sort of fatty substance to it so it can enhance the absorption of the benefits of the curcumin. An important warning. Unfortunately, it seems that a number of turmeric powder sources have contaminants in them such as aflatoxin, lead chromate, and other heavy metals. Lead chromate is an orange substance that is added to turmeric powder to add a brighter color and also to increase the weight and density of the product and thus be able to sell for more. It has a bright orange color and is sometimes added to turmeric powder that maybe is not as naturally bright. Aflatoxins are mycotoxins or mold toxins, and they can be really problematic if you have a mold sensitivity or allergy or are experiencing mold exposure. Be sure that you know and trust your source for your turmeric, and make sure that they do third-party testing for heavy metals and other contaminants. So now that you know about all of the amazing benefits from turmeric for your mood and brain health, if you want to get some for yourself from a brand that I trust, there's a link below in the description. Now it is an affiliate link, so I get a little kickback if you decide to buy based on that link at no added cost to you. Just does me a little favor so that I can keep going and keep making you videos. If you're taking turmeric as part of your brain and mood health maintenance, be sure to check out our product TransZen from our website, entheozen.com. It is a comprehensive formula of 17 different ingredients, including turmeric extract, that are scientifically studied to improve brain health, mood, and emotional resilience. There's a link below in the description, and you can get 20% off your purchase if you use that link to get to the store. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe to our channel so that we can keep sharing these cool tips and tricks for you to elevate yourself and thrive. Smile on, my warriors. Mwah.